Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the unit is powered and the remote works. This prevents interruptions. Next, set the thermostat 2 degrees to 3 degrees higher than your daytime setting so the compressor runs less. Once done, press the sleep button or open the mode menu and select the moon or ZZ icon. This activates the staged adjustments. You do this because sleep mode balances comfort and energy savings, reducing noise and avoiding abrupt temperature swings while you fall asleep. Now you fine-tune the settings so sleep mode matches your routine. Select the duration, 1 to 8 hours, or auto if your model adapts. This controls when the AC ramps back. Then set fan speed to low or auto to reduce noise and steady airflow. Also, check the temperature ramp. Some models raise set point gradually. This saves energy and prevents overnight overcooling. Make sure the timer aligns with your wake time and confirm the settings so the unit follows the programmed profile. To finish, verify the sleep icon and timer appear on the indoor display. This confirms activation. If the unit doesn't enter sleep mode, first try resetting the remote by removing batteries briefly, then power cycle the AC at the breaker. This clears transient faults. If problems persist, note your model number and any error codes, then contact Blue Star support. Doing this gives technicians precise info, which speeds diagnosis and ensures you get a reliable fix without guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.